This could be the best of something I have ever seen. You're going to have to wait till the end to hear the best of what it actually is, but let's talk about it and some of its features. This is a fluid head for video. What does that mean, fluid? First off, let's just talk about the first gorilla part of this. On the top of this is this giant mount where you can put your camera or your lens, depending upon how you're set up. I used to be the series photographer for 3 different professional car racing series, and some of the glass that I had was absolutely mammoth, which would fit on here perfectly. This will hold up to 22 pounds. Additionally, just real quick while we're up here, there's a ball level, which is always helpful, as well as you're able to rotate to a vertical shot, super easy like that. And if you do, there's yet again another ball level, so you haven't lost that ability when you go vertical. So let's talk about those fluid things. Let's say you got a panning shot that you really want to get. You simply loosen this here, and now look at how smooth you can pan. I mean, really, this is so cool. One finger on it, look at it pan, look at it go. That is so fluid and cool, ridiculously cool. I can't wait to tell you what this is the best at. Now, the next thing that is also awesome, fluidly doing, is watch this. Pan up and down, but like nice and fluid. If you've ever shot video, I don't have to tell you how much of an advantage it is to have that fluid pan both left and right and up and down. That is ridiculously cool. These controls are nice and large, well textured, so it's going to be easy to use. Obviously, you could put a beast of a camera on that. So now let me tell you what is the best about this. What is the best about this? Kind of can't say because I'm not allowed to talk about price, but what I am allowed to tell you is this is the best value that I have seen. Like the balance of what this involves in terms of greenbacks to get and the quality that you're going to get and how this is going to improve your video is absolutely off the hook crazy. I would definitely recommend this. This is certainly a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking, even for photography, this would be awesome. But if you're looking for something to up your video game, this is absolutely a great way to go. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.